This problem is from GATE 2020 Mechanical Engineering of Set 2. The question is, consider a flow through a nozzle as shown in the figure below. So there is a figure in which a nozzle is there and we have two sections here. The airflow is steady, incompressible and inviscid. The density of air is 1.23 kg per meter cube. The pressure difference P1 minus P atm, that is atmospheric pressure, which is at section 2 in kilopascal rounded off to 2 decimal places. So we need to find the pressure difference between these two sections, that is P1 minus P2, or which in this case is P atm in kilopascal. Now let's write the Bernoulli equation for the given condition. From the inviscid incompressible momentum equation, we can write dou u by dou t plus gradient of half u vector mod square plus 1 by rho into gradient of p is equal to u vector cross omega vector. We can also write the potential energy term as g vector, that is acceleration due to gravity vector, into rho. In the left hand side we can write this as well. This is the potential energy, and here omega is the vorticity, such that omega vector is equal to del cross v vector, that is curl of velocity vector is called the vorticity. In the question it is already mentioned that the flow is steady, inviscid and incompressible. That means if the flow is steady, then dou u vector by dou t will become 0. So this is equal to 0. The inviscid condition, that is mu is equal to 0, the viscosity of the fluid is we have already considered it as 0, and then we have written the momentum equation. The incompressible flow is also considered, that is del dot v vector is equal to 0. Now one more condition that's not given in the problem, but if it is not mentioned, then by default we can say that the flow is also irrotational. So if the flow is irrotational, that means omega vector is also equal to 0. That means vorticity of the flow is 0. Flow is irrotational. Now using these conditions, we can write the above momentum equation as, we can write it as, I have made a mistake here, I'm sorry for that. This is zz. Z is the height of center line of the cross section. Gradient of p plus half rho magnitude of u square plus rho g z, that is equal to 0. And when we integrate both sides, we will get p plus half rho u square plus rho g z is equal to constant. And this is the Bernoulli equation for steady, inviscid, incompressible and irrotational flow. Now it's better that you pause the video and see if you can solve this problem using the given information and the concept explained here. Now coming back to the problem, now in the given problem, the nozzle has two sections, section 1 and section 2. At section 2, the pressure is equal to the atmospheric pressure, atm, and the density of flow, the flow that is going on here, going in from here and out from here, has the density of 1.23 kg per meter cube. The velocity at section 2 is v2 is given as 50 meter per second, and the cross sectional area of section 2 is 0.02 meter square. Now the pressure P1, that means at section 1, is not given. The velocity at V1 is also not given, and the area A1 is 0.2 meter square. So the continuity equation for incompressible fluid can be written as, so the continuity equation for the incompressible flow is A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. Now A is the area and V is the velocity. 1 and 2 represent the cross section of the pipe. Now A1 given to us is 0.2 meter square, V1 is unknown, A2 given is 0.02 meter square and V2 is 50 meter per second. So from here we can get V1 is equal to 0.02 into 50 whole divided by 0.2. So V1 will be equal to 5 meter per second. Now applying the Bernoulli equation that was just derived before, applying Bernoulli's equation between section 1 and 2, we can write pressure at section 1 plus half rho U1 square plus rho G Z1 will be equal to P2 plus pressure at section 2 plus half rho U2 square plus rho G Z2. Now here Z1 is equal to Z2 because it's not given in the question, so we will assume like this. So these two terms will get cancelled out. The remaining term is P1 and P2 is equal to P atmosphere, that's given in the question. So P1 minus PATM will be equal to, now half and rho density is constant, so we'll take half and rho outside, U2 square minus U1 square. Now half into density value is 1.23 multiplied by U square, U2 square, so velocity at section 2 is 50 square minus velocity at section 1 is 5 square. So this will give us 1522.125 Pascal. Therefore, P1 minus PATM is equal to 1.52 kilopascal, which is the required answer. So our final answer for this question is the pressure difference between section 1 and 2 is 1.52 kilopascal. Now to gain more knowledge on Bernoulli equation, or if you want to see the derivation of Bernoulli equation, you can refer to the NPTEL lecture of Advanced Concepts in Fluid Mechanics by Professor Suman Chakrabarty of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. Hopefully I was able to solve your doubt. Have a great day. Thank you.